Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about the project which was given in the those who have joined the live class yesterday. They have got this project that is on indicators, and here we are going to work with natural indicator. Okay, so how we are going to do this, about that I will be explaining. Though I have explained that, but again, let me do this because you are having some problem in this how to do. And so here in this video I will be sharing you, I will be telling you all how to make the extract of the indicators and how we will going to work with that. Okay, so check it out. So we are going to work with the indicators. Okay, and here we are using the natural indicators. Natural indicators. So what are natural indicators? What do we mean by that? Natural indicators are the indicators which we find naturally, like turmeric juice or different the extraction of the petals of different flowers, the colorful petals of different flowers that can be used as indicator. They will show different colors in acid and in basic medium, so that we can use as indicator, and here we are going to do that. So any five such indicators you find, you can take any of this which will show different colors in acid and basic medium, and you can choose. That is up to you which five indicators you are taking for this project. So that is up to you. You can choose your own indicator. So I can give you a few options. That is, turmeric juice is there, beetroot juice can be used, or the purple grape juice also can be used as indicator. You can extract the juice and you can use it, but do it freshly. Okay, with the fresh juice you do the experiment. And for petals how we will do that, you soak it overnight. Okay, suppose rose petals or hibiscus petals, that you collect, and or marigold, will it work or not, I have to see. So you just try to do that. If it works very good, you can use that also. So how we will do that, you soak the petals, you just stir the petals and soak it in water overnight. Okay, and then you just smash it, and means in the next day morning you just smash it, and you can stain it, and we will be getting the extract. Okay, so with that extract, with that filtrate, we can say, you can do this. Okay, that can be that will be the extract will be used as indicator. And here, so how you are going to write that, first, name of the indicator. You can do this. You can do this in either channel file. It will not take much space, only 5 as we are doing. So name of the indicator. uh, Next, uh, indicators, natural color. Okay, natural color. Then indicators, color in color in acid medium, and then color in basic medium. Okay, these 4 columns we have to make. And here acid and base which we are using, that is also readily available at your home. That is, acid you can use as you can use vinegar, or lime juice also can be used. And for base you can use detergent or soap solution. Okay, so just a pinch of detergent or soap you mix in water, and that can be used as basic medium or basic solution. Okay, and how we are going to do that? First, you will be taking the indicator. Okay, its color, you know that you will be writing there. Now in a container you take acid solution, and in a container you take basic solution. Better the containers which we are taking, that should be made of glass. Okay, glass, just the tumbler of glass you can take, or the bowl made of glass. There also you can do this experiment. So there you just 2-3 drops of indicator you add in both in acid medium and in basic medium, and you just shake it a bit, and whatever colors you are getting, that you note, and you will be writing here. Okay, so in this manner you have to do this. And what else? Acha, this one you can make in a chart paper. You can do this, or in a channel file. In a channel file also you can do this. That is up to you. Whichever the size and all, that is up to you. You can use any of the size of the chart paper, that which will be convenient for you all. So that is totally your choice. So in this manner, and I think by this, today is Thursday, by this week I think you can do this. Okay, 4 days we are having. So by this week, by this end of this week, you just complete this project. Okay, so this what I wanted to say about this. And indicators, you choose your own indicators. You just see which natural substances can be used. Okay, you explore. That's all. Okay, today up to this only. I just wanted to share this with you. Just do this project, and next day uh, we will be starting the, as I said before, we will be starting the exercise of the chapter. Okay, it is finished, the chapter is finished, and exercise we are going to start in the next class. Okay, till then you complete this project. I think it will be a fun. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say, that is, while doing this, you better you make a video. Okay, you keep all the indicators together, means all the indicators ready. Okay, and you make a video of this. Then means I can be asking you to send those videos. So you just make the video and complete this project in this manner. So if it is asked, then only you send. Otherwise just keep it with you. Okay, keep the video with you. Then the colors, actual colors which you are getting, that can be understood in this manner. Okay, so do in that way. So today up to this. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.